morning, everybody. So we are starting the morning practicing piano, and we are gonna go to my in-laws today for making gingerbread houses, and it's supposed to be a snowstorm. Like, we're supposed to get like 7 inches, and it's supposed to be a blizzard with 45-mile-an-hour winds. So this is what it looks like at 9 o'clock in the morning, and we will see as the day progresses what it looks like. Before we go, we are doing a quick sight change of a sensor change. So we're gonna take it off your arm and put it where, Henry? Your leg?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only December 1st, and I'm almost done Christmas shopping. Pretty cool. Check out this beauty, you guys. It's a huge snowblower. Actually, it's a 24-inch snowblower, and we just bought it this week, and we will be using it today since there's a snowstorm and blizzard coming. So that is awesome. Everybody's excited. The snow is just starting just now. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be fun. It is windy and cold. Oh, these kids. They're having fun. They're so excited. Oh man, I look like a mess. I forgot. I was looking all cute and I didn't even show myself today, and I just took my hair off and now I look like a mess. But I was just outside. It's blowing at your face. Like, it like hurts. That's how crazy it is out. I had to run out and give Henry the chimney of his gingerbread house because he's dropping low super fast, and I did a temp basil, so. Anyway, I'm glad to be back in. Gotta find Henry. He's 74 straight arrow down. The chimney wasn't enough, so I'm bringing more candy. It's cold. Henry, you're low. I want to give you some Swedish fish. You're low. I want to bring you some Swedish fish. Okay, you don't know where they are? Huh. Check out this pretty fabric. Isn't this the prettiest fabric ever? I'll show you what I am doing. I'm sewing over there right now, but I'll show you what I'm making here. So I'm making these states, and then this is for Andy's sister. I'm gonna put it on one of these, and then I'm gonna sew around it. And I made this Minnesota. I need a different color towel, but I made this Minnesota, and I made this Minnesota. So I need different colored towels, but I'm gonna put these on towels, and they're like, we'll make a nice gift. All right, so here I just sewed around it. I traced the Minnesota, sewed around it. I'm gonna cut a slit, flip it inside out, and you will see what it looks like. And there it is, done. Now I just gotta put it on here, and then I'm gonna stitch around the whole thing, and then it'll be done. Look how cute. I know. I better do a snow update. So this is what it looks like now. Snupdate. And I don't know. It's not as much as, there's a big drift in our front.
4, 2 to 5, something like that, they said.
It's hard because it's blowing so much. It's just blowing a lot. But you can see it has accumulated since this morning for sure. All right, it's a snow update. We were just getting ready to go to church, and my dad called and it's canceled. So the boys are gonna play outside again. It is really windy.
It's funny, it's so windy, like the driveway's clear right there, but
And there's a huge drift
in
right
front of it,
Yeah, I know.
the garage doors, there's a drift.
All right, I don't know if you can see very well, there's a huge drift. I'm running over to my mom and dad's house. Look at Andy put lights on our house. Oh, they're in the gutter, but it's super pretty, you can't really see it. And there's Frosty. All right, heading over to my parents' house in the dark. There it is. The lighting is not very good, but I just got home. It's It's late. But this is my Minnesota one. Isn't that cute? And here is the California one. So I stitched around it and it's cute. All right, it's bedtime. Look at your cute room. We put Christmas lights all over his room. Very, very cute. I like it.
Until here, and then we put another.
And we are gonna read some books. Well, you know what? I was gonna end the vlog here, but actually I want to show everybody tomorrow morning what the snowstorm ended up doing. So we will wait and end the vlog tomorrow. Good morning. We got a lot of snow, a lot of wind, so we have huge drift. I don't know if you can see, it's really hard to see. And that window's all icy. You can see the drift next to that tractor tire. Huge. There's a snow update, so you can still see grass, but in the spots, like this is a huge drift. Like all this is all drifted because it was so windy. Here, look out this window. So yeah, very pretty. We just had Henry's recital. Didn't he do good? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of him. He did such a good job. Now we are going to go see Santa. Henry, get up.
Me?
Yeah, over there. You can go on the other side of Charlie.
I never thought I'd be in Santa's sleigh.
Yeah. Look at me, guys. There's a rabbit that chose to put a nest behind this, right in our front door. Oh my gosh, there he is. He's huge. He's huge.
Yeah, no, he's a big rabbit.
I don't know if you can see him.
He's alive, he's back there.
He's sitting there, just behind there.
Where else does a rabbit go when it's snowing?
Rabbit, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna close out the vlog now. I'm just getting some walking in the grove here. I was just with my mom. We did a ton of rounds and dropped her off, and I'm gonna keep going for a while. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much. And if you made it this far and you like me, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. YouTube has changed, and those thumbs up really, really, really help. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you soon. Bye.